Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did these ombre rainbow pink nails. First, starting off with applying my extension tips to my nails. So now I'm just buffing down my extension tip and blending it into my real nail. I'm going to be using BioSeaWeedGel's base in the number 2, and I will also be using the dip powder in Zero Dip Natural. To prevent any clumps, make sure you turn and also shake your dip powder before using. So now you want to apply a thin layer of the base number 2, and you want to apply this to 75% of the nail, and make sure you avoid the cuticle area. Immediately after, dip your nails into the Zero Natural in a 45-degree angle, and just make sure to tap off the excess powder. Allow your nails to dry for at least 60 seconds before you go in with a second coat. Now for the second coat, go ahead and apply the number 2 base to the full nail. Just make sure you give your nails 60 seconds to dry before each layer. And now I'm just going to repeat the same steps for the third layer. So this was my first time working with dip powder. I did like how they looked at the end, but I did decide to do French tips in the beginning with dip powder, and that turned out a whole mess. That's when I changed my mind and decided to just stick with gel polish over top and did the pink ombre instead. Now I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this part. It's basically very repetitive. You just apply the base and then you dip into the powder. Pretty easy, but it does take some getting used to in the beginning. Now that we're all done, I'm going to apply one coat of the number 3 activator to all the fingernails. This is going to help harden the nails so that we're able to file and buff. Make sure to allow the nails to dry for 60 seconds. Once I'm finished with the dip powder, I'm just going to go ahead and file and buff the nails and just get the desired look I'm looking for. As I mentioned before, I did try to do French tips with dip powder, and this is how that turned out. So that was just pretty messy. So what I did, I just buffed down the dip powder as much as I could, just so I was able to have a nice base to apply my gel polish. Now we're going to go ahead and apply the gel polish. So first I'm starting off with Strawberry Hills, and this is from BioSeaWeedGel. For the most part, I am using BioSeaWeedGel products today. They have an amazing color selection, and I do love that they're a Canadian brand. So I do know that they have a sale going on right now, and I believe it's 15% off, and that's going on until July 4th. I did go ahead and apply a matte top coat once I was done, and this is the result. Well, I hope you liked the video, and feel free to comment down below. And also, thank you for watching.